Steam na natin dito ng mga 8 minutes lang guys. Ito yung aking ulam ngayong araw. Steam natin siya ng mga 8 minutes. Then, lagyan natin siya ng oil at saka hot oil pala. Painitin natin yung mantika mamaya. Pag okay na siya, 8 minutes lang guys para maganda yung taupo natin. Yan, steam taupo. Just boil 8 minutes guys, and then after that, i-drain natin yung tubig or water. Then put some hot oil or mainit na mantika and light soy sauce. Done already. That's a simple steam taupo only guys. Yan. Thank you so much, and mamaya papakita ko sa inyo pag done na siya. Okay, thank you. Yan. Steam fresh bean curd with light soy sauce and hot oil.